What if I told you that in 2026, one of the most legendary cameras of the last decade could make a comeback that shakes even the most full-frame focused photographers? The Fujifilm X-Pro4 isn't just another mirrorless camera. It could be the APS-C camera that redefines what a professional rangefinder-style camera should feel like in the modern era. Imagine jaw-dropping image quality, a hybrid viewfinder that blends optical and electronic perspectives seamlessly, and controls that make every shot feel intentional and alive. While much of the industry chases megapixels, AI autofocus, and full-frame hype, Fujifilm seems to be quietly crafting something that proves photographic soul, and thoughtful design still matter. For those who thought the X Pro line had faded into history, this could be the camera that makes photographers stop, stare, and say, "Finally." Although Fujifilm has not officially announced the X-Pro4, insider chatter and consistent rumors suggest a 2026 release. Fujifilm appears to be deliberately pacing the development of this camera, emphasizing meaningful innovation rather than incremental upgrades. The company seems determined to create a camera that feels worthy of the X Pro name, one that balances modern performance with the tactile, immersive experience that made the series iconic. Unlike some manufacturers rushing annual updates, Fujifilm appears to be focusing on long-term usability and refined photographic experience, which may result in a product that stands apart from the crowded APS-C and full-frame mirrorless market. At the core of the X-Pro4 is reportedly a 40-megapixel APS-C trans-CMOS 5HR sensor coupled with the latest X processor. This is a notable leap from the X-Pro3's 26-megapixel sensor, and could put the X-Pro4 among the highest resolution APS-C cameras ever made. The implications for photographers are significant. Images are expected to exhibit extraordinary detail, making large prints, aggressive cropping, and high-resolution editorial work far more practical. At the same time, Fujifilm's attention to dynamic range may allow photographers to capture both delicate shadows and preserved highlights with remarkable tonal fidelity, preserving the organic, film-like feel that has become the hallmark of X-Trans sensors. Noise performance is also rumored to improve, particularly in low-light shooting scenarios, ensuring cleaner high ISO files without compromising the natural color reproduction Fujifilm is known for. In short, this sensor may offer the best of both worlds, the distinctive X Pro look combined with modern technical excellence. One of the defining features of the X Pro series has always been its hybrid viewfinder, and rumors indicate that Fujifilm has refined this system significantly. The optical viewfinder path may now include better parallax correction and more precise framing guides, while the electronic viewfinder could offer higher resolution and faster refresh rates, making manual focusing, composition, and street photography even more intuitive. Ergonomically, the body is expected to retain the classic X Pro design with a compact rangefinder-style layout that emphasizes tactile controls, physical dials, and an intuitive grip. Unlike many modern mirrorless bodies that prioritize thinness or minimalism, the X-Pro4 seems poised to maintain a photographer-first philosophy, balancing durability with comfort for long shooting sessions. Every aspect of the design appears aimed at making the shooting experience not only efficient, but also emotionally satisfying, allowing photographers to feel connected to every frame. The autofocus system on the X-Pro4 is rumored to combine phase detection and contrast detection points in a more sophisticated hybrid arrangement than its predecessor. While it may not compete with the absolute speed of full-frame stacked sensors, the system is expected to deliver much improved subject tracking and responsiveness in challenging lighting conditions, such as low-contrast street scenes or dimly lit interiors. The focus performance is also rumored to excel with Fujifilm's wide array of high-speed primes and telephoto lenses, making it suitable for a range of professional applications from portrait and street photography to event and documentary work. Fujifilm seems intent on refining predictable and accurate autofocus behavior, rather than relying on aggressive AI automation, allowing photographers to maintain full creative control over their compositions. While video is not the primary focus of the X-Pro4, leaks suggest it could support 4K DCI/UHD, recording up to 60 frames per second in 10-bit color, offering solid hybrid functionality for content creators who need both stills and video. The improved autofocus system, paired with a higher resolution EVF and live view enhancements, could make handheld video much more usable. Manual focus operation is expected to be smoother, and color reproduction is likely to maintain the film-like characteristics Fujifilm is known for. While the X-Pro4 may not reach cinema-level specifications like 8K or log-heavy workflows, these features would make it highly practical for professional hybrid shooters who value convenience without compromising still image quality. Perhaps one of the most requested additions for the X-Pro series is in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and rumors indicate the X-Pro4 may finally include a system capable of up to 7 stops of compensation. For handheld shooting, this could be a game changer, especially when paired with the 40-megapixel sensor, allowing photographers to shoot in low light or slower shutter speeds with confidence. Connectivity improvements are also anticipated, including USB-C power delivery, faster tethered workflows, and enhanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi integration for mobile and remote shooting. The combination of IBIS and these modern workflow features suggests Fujifilm is aiming to make the X-Pro4 a truly professional tool, bridging the tactile traditional rangefinder experience with the convenience of modern mirrorless technology. While specific details about storage are not confirmed, it's expected that the X-Pro4 will handle large RAW files and 4K video efficiently. Even modest improvements in card write speeds, buffer capacity, or dual slot configurations could make a meaningful difference for photographers shooting in fast-paced environments or producing high-resolution content. Fujifilm seems to be thinking beyond single-shot capabilities, focusing on professional usability and long-term workflow efficiency. Given the rumored feature set, the X-Pro4 is expected to launch at around $2,499 to $2,699 US. This would place it above mid-tier APS-C cameras, but below most full-frame mirrorless flagships, making it a targeted choice for photographers who value image quality, ergonomics, hybrid shooting capabilities, and the X-Pro heritage, rather than chasing purely numerical specifications or market trends. If rumors are true, the Fujifilm X-Pro4 could redefine APS-C mirrorless cameras. It may feature a higher resolution sensor, refined hybrid viewfinder, smart autofocus, solid video, IBIS, and professional ergonomics, appealing to street, documentary, travel, and hybrid photographers. While many cameras chase specs, the X-Pro4 seems focused on the complete photographic experience, from pickup to shutter press. Though unconfirmed, leaks suggest it could be one of the most important APS-C cameras of 2026, showing that rangefinder-style mirrorless photography remains relevant.